If you go to shinearmor.com, use my code Chicagoan20, you can get 20% off your order. So definitely go check that out. Go try it out. Hey, Ma. Welcome back to another video, and today we ran into yet another problem with the Mustang. This is the ignition coil. I was leaving my girlfriend's house, Mustang started bogging, it died, wouldn't turn back on, so had to push the car back to my girlfriend's house. Unfortunately, I think I have to leave it there for the night and then go back tomorrow and actually put it, if I can get the part overnight. Put it on, see if that's the actual problem. If it starts, cool, great. If not, well, then we got a whole other list of things to go through. It is difficult having an older than 96 vehicle, just because it's not OBD2, so you can't just plug in the scanner, so you really got to diagnose it. But it's cool as fuck though. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't really know how it's gonna end up, how it's gonna go. We'll see. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get 2,000 subscribers before the end of 2023. And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Well,
this gift from a fucking asshole that parked in front of me. Number wanted to go scratch this shit up. I go to sleep real bad. So I'm not gonna die. You know what we got? The first dent on my car.
oh shit.
Memo was more.
Well, the next day, literally the next day, dies out on me. It's not turning back on. Here we go. Got the new ignition coil. Yeah, just trying to catch my words. Got the new ignition coil. Install that right now. Such a hard spot to get into. Oh god, my head doesn't fit. My head didn't fit through there. That was very difficult. All right, last time, well, yesterday or a few moments ago, depending. The footage of us pushing it was yesterday. It cranked, but that was it. Hold on, Dexter, I'm coming. It cranked, but you know, now I guess we'll just see what happens. It cranked, but nothing turned on because there was no spark. So we can only hope. Interesting. We'll be right back. Alright, well the car is good to go. It runs, it stays on, which is all I needed to do to get home. So, should be it. The check engine light keeps turning on and off, but we'll worry about that later as long as it runs so I can get it home, because I'm not home. Yeah, so I'll see you back at the house. That is it for today's video. The Mustang is fixed now, for now. It was the ignition coil, so gotta replace a bunch of electrical parts, a bunch of sensors, but now I got it home so we can fix the parts, because I did not want, I felt bad leaving the Mustang there at my girlfriend's house. Thank God her parents let me leave it there, but yeah, so the Mustang's back home now. And then now we have to see what other sensors are messed up. If they are messed up, who knows? Nobody knows. We have to figure that out. But we got a long road ahead of us with the Mustang. It's fun though. Luckily, nothing major. But with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get to 2,000 subscribers before the end of 2023. We're almost there. We're on that final stretch. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. To go to shinearmor.com, use my code Chicagoan20. You can get 20% off your order. So definitely go check that out. Go try it out.